Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the topic proteins. Proteins, basic unit of proteins or structure and classification in the brief. Proteins. Proteins are linear polymers of high molecular weight. Proteins are linear polymers of high molecular weight. They contain nitrogen in addition to the carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen of carbohydrates and lipids. Many proteins also contain small amounts of sulfur and other elements. Proteins are much larger and more complex than carbohydrates or lipids. They may have molecular weight of several thousands or even millions. The number of proteins in a cell is very large, varying from 1000 to 2000 in the simplest bacteria to as many as 1 lakh different proteins in the human cells. The basic units of proteins. The basic units of proteins are the amino acids. The genetic code specifies 20 amino acids which are utilized in the synthesis of proteins. Additional amino acids have also been isolated from some proteins. These are modification of the 20 amino acids has a carbon atom to which are attached 4 other atoms or groups. Specified the genetics code and amino acids. These are a hydrogen, an acidic carboxyl COOH group, a basic amino NH2 group, an additional group designated as R, FCR, H2N and COO. Generalize the structure of the amino acid. The carboxyl and amino groups are very reactive. In neutral solution, they exist as charged COO and NH2 plus radicals. The groups are is hydrogen atom in the simplest amino acids, glycine. In alanine, it is methyl group CH3. Two amino acids molecules are linked by a peptide bond to form dipeptide. The linkage takes place between the carboxyl COOH group, one amino acid, and the amino NH3 group of the other. During this process, OH is lost from the carboxyl group and H from the amino group to form the molecules of water. The dipeptide still has a carboxyl group at one end and an amino group at the other. A dipeptide can unite with another amino acid to form a tripeptide. Addition other amino acids results in a long polypeptide, which is a polymer of amino acids. Association of polypeptides results in a large protein molecules. Side chains are H2N and COOH. a polypeptide chain made up of different amino acids residues connected by the peptide bond. The chain has amino H2N and carboxyl COOH ends. Proteins have four structural levels of organization. The sequence of the folding or coiling of the polypeptide chain makes up the secondary structure. The folding or coiling is maintained by weak hydrogen bonds. The folded or coated polypeptide chains become further bent or coiled to form the tertiary structure. This shape is maintained by several factors. One of these is the disulfide bonds. Two or polypeptide chain may become associated to give the quaternary structures. Secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. Structure of protein consisting of two polypeptides. Classification of proteins. Proteins may be classified as simple and conjugated proteins. Simple proteins consist of only amino acids or their derivatives. Conjugated proteins consist of simple proteins in combination with some non-protein component called the prosthetic group. They include the following groups: nucleoproteins, protein plus nucleic acid, example histones; glycoproteins, protein plus carbohydrates, example immunoglobulin; phosphoprotein, protein plus pigment, example hemoglobin; phosphoprotein, protein plus pigment, example hemoglobin; lipoproteins, protein plus lipid, example chylomicrons; metalloproteins, proteins plus metal ion, example ceruloplasmin. This is the structure and classification of proteins or basic units of proteins. Okay, thank you.